Hello, my name is Mitch Foley. I'm from Midwest Automation. I'm here today to demonstrate the Randbright RB80. This is a single head belt head unit, and I'm going to show you the controls here in a second. So on this RB80, it's a very simple machine to turn on, operate, and adjust. Everything is on-off controls with manually adjusted settings. This Randbright RB80 has 3 manual adjustments. You have a manual adjustment here for feed speed, which controls your rate the part goes through. You have your head adjustment here for your interference value, and you have your guide blade adjustment, which is what you need to change for outside part diameter. We have 2 different types of guide blades on this machine. We have our standard guide blades, which are UHMW guide blades, and then we have these shown here on this piece of equipment, which are the non-marking guide blades. These are primarily used to not mark up the side of the part while it's being processed through the machine. Another adjustment that needs to be made is to move these up and down to adjust for outside part diameter. We have 2 different types of heads for this machine. We have both a belt head, which is shown here, and we have a brush head. You can equip this with a contact drum, which is shown here, or you can equip this with a Scotch-Brite abrasive wheel, which you can also use as a contact drum if needed, if you need both types of abrasives in your application. Equipped with the belt head shown here, we have a cylinder here, which allows us to have easy access to change your belt. All you do is you pull this out here, which reduces the cylinder, you pull the belt out, throw your new abrasive on, and activate it. That's how easy it is to change the abrasive belt on this machine. The part we're going to run this RB80 today has a little bit of this mill scale still developed on it. It's about 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. Let's go ahead and run this part.